Hi guys. Let's start winning with Photoshop. If you like colors, modify images and improve design, why not use this hobby to earn money? Many designers cannot benefit, but you know there are designers around the world who earn thousands of dollars a month in design at home. There are many sites and networks with customers who want to have specific designs, and if you see that you can realize this design, you communicate with them and send them the design. 1500px. A large photo platform. Sign up. A page will appear allowing you to load the photos you have taken yourself, and you will meet many customers interested in your photos. 25er. Among the very famous for-profit sites, you sign up and offer the service you want to set up for only $5. $3.99 Designs. One of the world's most famous sites and known to many designers. The idea of the website is that the customer or company to whom you want to design a logo will put details for its logo, and the designers will create a custom logo. The designer of the logo chosen by the customer can sometimes earn up to $1,000 per logo. For Behance. A reference site in the field of design. We are not considered a designer if we do not have an account on Behance. The competition is tough and the designers are pro. So, you have to present beautiful designs to keep its place. 5. CavePress. A giant site in which you register, then you drop the designs and logos designed. The site guarantees the rights of both parties, the seller and the buyer, so that these models are not stolen from another site or any other designer. Of course, the site is subject to certain conditions to accept the model that will be displayed. 6. Envato. A very large site on which you register, you visualize the motives and the logos that you conceive to sell them to the admirers. The site guarantees the rights of the seller and the buyer so that these reasons are not stolen from another site or any other designer. 7. Freelancer. One of the most famous independent work sites in the world. The client displays the design he wants and you communicate with him. You can view the work that you have already designed and also communicate with designers around the world to benefit from their expertise and track global designs and many other opportunities. 8. Creative Market. Another site that then gives you the opportunity to create a full store where you can view images, fonts and drawings that you have created, and also if you can create special editions or WordPress templates that you can view and sell easily. 9. DeviantArt. The site is a direct competitor of Behance that allows you to view all your patterns and illustrations as well as models. It has the same features as the Behance site and is distinguished by its ability to market and publish your drawings to millions of subscribers. Of course, all work needs time and follow-up, so do not expect to make a profit from the first day, but you will need time and learning constantly. That's all for today. See you in another video.